I've got a project today. JJ and I are going to change the tailpipe on a motorcycle because this thing just doesn't sound like anything. I'll show you what it sounds like. So we got to do better than that. I got a very inexpensive tailpipe on Amazon, and so we're going to put it on and see what it sounds like afterwards.
All right, no exhaust now at all. That's terrible. Oh my god.
That sounds awesome. I'm going with that.
Yeah. Right. There's a new one. It's on there.
We do have some leftover parts, though. We'll see.
We'll take those to the scrap yard. Let's hear it.
Ready?
Yep.
Set. Yeah.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
That would piss off the neighbors. for
Oh
sure.
yeah. Oh yeah. That's all right though.
That does sound better, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Off he goes.